Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to disable the system apps on your Android without using any root, this is the method you can follow for that, which is pretty quick and easy. So let's just get started. So you can access the device's settings for that. And this is one of the most safest and simplest method, but it only works for some pre-installed bloatware and non-essential system apps. So you can just go over and within your settings, go to the apps or the apps and notifications menu and tap on it. Once you tap on apps, you can look out for the see all apps option. So you can look out for the three dot option menu at the top right corner and select it. And within there, look out for the option of show system apps if that is available there. If not that, you can look out for the filter option within your app section and tap on it. And look out for the option of show system apps. So this option right here, if this option is turned on, what you need to do is basically go ahead and look out for this option of um, this one right here and look out for this option of show system apps, and you can turn it off, or you can manually head over once you turn on this option to the system applications and disable it by looking for the disable option to each one of them in the bottom left corner and select it. So you can just go over and tap it and confirm the action when prompted. And that is how you can basically go ahead and disable a system app on your Android without any root. So this is the method you can follow up, or you can use the ADB on your computer. ADB is a more powerful and technical option that allows you to install the app for the current user. So this is a reversible process and does not require rooting for your device. You may just go over and follow up these steps for that. So that is it, everybody. Do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials if this video was helpful. And thank you for watching this video.